am back with another video. So yeah, this video is going to be about me blow drying and flat ironing my hair. As of today, I am 1 day post relaxer because I just relaxed my hair this morning. And this is after 12 weeks. Now, usually I say I do 14 weeks. I just couldn't handle the new growth that I had. So it was just like, you know what, what's 2 weeks short, let me just relax it. Because if it gets to the point where your hair is breaking, then it doesn't make sense to stretch out the relaxer. I already washed out the relaxer, conditioned, I used the heating cap, everything like that. But I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on the blow drying process and also straightening my hair. Now, my hair, as you can see, is pretty much almost half dry because just walking around with it for about 20 minutes, yeah, it's almost dry. So all I'm going to be using today is some detangling and conditioning leave-in conditioner, the ORS olive oil heat protection serum, and a little bit of the She Moisture silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. So just those three. So I'm just going to spray some on, And I also thought it would be a good idea because that way you can see, how much damage my hair has. Because, like I said, I'm on a hair journey because my hair is like damaged. And it has grown significantly, but I don't know. I know everyone's hair is different and grows different. Mine, for some reason, like it's short in the front, and then the crown part is the longest part, and then in the back of my hair is like short, So I don't know if that's how majority of you guys' hair is. Let me know. But yeah, that's the issue that I'm having. I just want to grow out the back part of my hair, and it has been growing a lot, but I just wish my hair could be even all around, but that's just how my hair grows. That's how it's always grown. It's always been the middle part that's like the longest, and then the front is like kind of short, and then the back, to me, the back is like my weakest point. Okay. After you put on this, I don't really put a lot of things because the serum is, it does a good job. It's a heat protectant, but it also, to me, moisturizes your hair. So you don't really need too much oils or anything like that because you don't want your hair to be weighed down. I'm going to go ahead and, since I'm finished applying these, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. And I will get back to you guys when I'm finished with all of this. But I'll just, talk through it and yeah. So now I'm finally at like the last row of like the short part of my hair. I'm getting into, like the crown area where it's a bit longer. Right here, I don't know why this area is so hard. It's so difficult for me to grow back. This side, it has grown back. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Tell me, please. It's just like right here. Like if I move all this hair, it's just like something's missing. Like I could feel skin, y'all. But it's okay because I hardly show that part of my hair anyways. Like I rarely wear my hair in a ponytail, only when I'm like home or whatever. Yeah, so it's growing, it's just growing really slow because here was missing, but that grew back. I don't know why hair is taking so long. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, you guys. I don't know. And sometimes, you know, you're not doing anything wrong. Sometimes that's just how our hair is. And we just have to let our hair be. So yeah, I'm just continuing to do, you know, one pass through the hair. You know, I don't want my hair to look flat. I want it to have a little bit of bounce. And, you know, when you have relaxed hair, when you relax it, like the first 2 weeks or so, if you know, pass through the hair more than once, like it looks really flat to me, my hair. And my hair is in no means, like by no means is my hair thin, but it's not as thick as I wanted it to be, or as I want it to be, where I could just pass through my hair twice or 3 times or whatever. I don't even know why a person would pass through their hair 3 times if you just got a relaxer, but I never pass. I never do more than 2 passes with a flat iron. But yeah. So let's see here. So yeah. After I'm finished with this section, I will show you guys how it looks with I guess a back angle. So yeah, and I don't do like really thin pieces or anything like that because, like I said, I don't want my hair to look extremely flat, like super flat, you know. So okay, so the part may not be that good in the back. I'm just warning you guys from now. It probably will not look good because, like I said, I can't see what I'm doing. Huh. Okay, so, and then also a thing that I noticed is this side. I noticed a lot of my friends have this issue too. Like one side of your hair is longer than the other. So yeah, I noticed that that's going on because this side is always longer than this side. So, and it doesn't matter how many times I trim it so that it's like on the same page, it always grows lopsided like that. I don't know. So this is basically the end result, but what I'm gonna do, because I noticed that it's upsetting because I just realized like one side, I don't know if you guys can see, let me try to turn this as good as possible, like one side is longer, and I think I'm just going to cut it so that it all looks even. Even if it's inches, it doesn't make sense to have inches, you know, if it's only on one side of my head. So, and it's so frustrating. I hate that, you guys. So, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it so that it kind of looks even, and then I'll show you guys the results. Okay guys, so I am finally back. This is the end results, and might I say, I love it, love it, love it. I did clip the ends because, yeah, they were just looking way too shabby, and you know, I like when everything looks neat. I tried, my husband helped, thanks babe. He helps with the back because, you know, can't see the back. And like I said, this issue, I always had like one side is always longer than the other, but I tried my best to clip it as evenly as possible without, you know, without taking off too much off of it. So yeah, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Ooh, this feels so good, you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.